Hello everybody, welcome to my home, welcome to my garden. I'm going to be picking some fresh parsley because tonight we're going to have some steak with chimichurri sauce and we're also going to have some buttered spinach. Let's pick a little bit of the parsley. It's not full grown yet, but we do what we got to do. Pick the outside, what do you call these things? I don't even know. Okay, so you pick the outside of the parsley. All right, so the inside keeps the stems. Perfect. Okay, so I'm gonna go in order, okay? So I have the meat right here. I have some cuts of ribeye and some filet mignon. First thing I'm going to do is crush some pepper on them. Now I took them out of the fridge I want them out at least 30 minutes because you want them to get warmer. You don't want to get the meat right out of the fridge and throw it on a hot barbecue. It's better if it reaches a warmer temperature in the house. So I'm just going to put the pepper on both sides. Okay, sprinkle some sea salt on them. Okay, and as soon as the barbecue warms up, I'll get them ready. Now, the next thing I'm going to do, this is also going to be a very quick meal tonight. The next thing I'm going to do, let me grab a kitchen rag. I'm going to make, I have here 1/2 pound of spinach, and they're triple washed. I'm going to just rinse them again because I want them with a little bit of water, believe it or not. And what I'm going to do, they're going to be spinaci al burro parmigiano. This is something we grew up with. This is the longest I could remember. And it's such a delicate side dish and absolutely delicious. And I'm going to go ahead and show you how I'm going to make that. I have here about a tablespoon and a half of butter, very small piece. It's about 25 grams. I have a 1/4 cup of Parmigiano Reggiano already grated, which is 20 grams. And I'm going to use 2 cloves of garlic, okay? And that's going to be for this. Now, moving along here, I have the parsley, the garlic, and salt, and I'm also going to use extra virgin olive oil to make my chimichurri. Let's get started and make the spinach first. I'm using a 5-quart pot, but the spinach really reduces to nothing. So even something smaller is fine. I'm going to put my flame on medium low. You don't want anything frying, you don't want anything sauteing. So I'm just going to put the butter in and wait for it to melt. And I'm going to slice the garlic in gently. Gently in the sense just slices. If you don't like the garlic, you could also put it in a hole and remove it. We don't mind it. If the kids don't like it, they could always remove it later. The butter is melted and it's such a sweet smelling flavor with the garlic, okay? Just gonna give it 10-15 seconds at the top, okay? Let the heat release the flavor in the garlic. Now what I'm going to do is just add my spinach that I've rinsed, so it's just a little wet. Hear that? Wow. Okay. Remember to keep the flame on low. I am going to now sprinkle just a little bit of salt. It really doesn't need much. Okay, put the lid on it and let the spinach wilt. And then we'll put the Parmesan later. Okay, quickly making the chimichurri. The barbecue is on, it's getting warmed up. The spinach is cooking. So I'm going to just, like if you follow my other tutorials, you'll see, bunch it up and just mince it like this. Nice and easy and quick. Okay. Also, I'm going to make a 1/4 cup of red wine vinegar and about 1/2 cup of the extra virgin olive oil. I'm not worried because if there's some left over, what I'll do tomorrow, I received some chicken tenders that I ordered. I could always marinate the chicken tenders and put them right on the barbecue tomorrow. Okay, so that's perfect. That's in. Now the garlic. This is what I do with the garlic. I just go across, then sides, and just like this. Again, down, multiple times, and then across. See, really how small it is? It's perfect. Without dirtying any cutting boards. If I gotta make a large amount, then it's a different story. I'll get the food processor out or the cutting board. But otherwise, on a day-to-day meal, when I need to be doing other things, this works fine. Here goes the 1/4 cup of the red wine vinegar. And I'm gonna put double of the oil. Perfect. Oh, smells wonderful. Salt. Black pepper. Let's just whip it up a little bit so everything combines. Okay, and your chimichurri is ready. Now let's go take a look at the spinach, what's going on. Okay, let's look at the spinach. Unfortunately, look, it really reduces to nothing, but it looks fantastic. Okay, now the final step, I'm gonna still leave the flame on. This is what you're going to do. So I'm going to just sprinkle the Parmigiano right on it. Okay, that's it. Okay, leave it just another minute or so and it's ready. So lucky to have such a beautiful day. It makes for a quick meal to barbecue and delicious. So the meat is ready, the barbecue is ready. So I'm going to go ahead and put the steaks on. You know, once you put them on, let them sear and also time yourself. If you like it well done, 4 minutes on each side. If you like them rare, just a couple minutes. So just put them on, close the barbecue, and in 3 minutes we'll check back. Take a look at the spinach with the melted Parmigiano on it and all the juice. It's just really delicious. Is looking great and it's ready to be. Just flip a couple more minutes on the other side and it's going to be perfect. We have some ribeye people in the house and some filet mignon. I like a porterhouse, to say the truth. Okay, while it's still nice and hot, I'm going to go and put the chimichurri on. I think the dog smelled the steaks. We're gonna have a problem tonight. Okay. I'll take my piece and I need to taste the spinach. Just a little bit, but I need to taste it. Okay. Wow, perfect. I like my meat rare, so this is perfect. Delicious. The garlic and the parsley and the vinegar really brings everything together. Just delicious. And the spinach, wow, absolutely restaurant grade spinach. You can make this with as any side dish to any protein or just alone, or even I would even put this over rice. It's absolutely delicious. Thank you for watching. If you like what you see, please press the subscribe button. Be safe. Arrivederci. A presto. Baci. Ciao, ciao.